Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is unit number 12. Unit number 12 title is It is a Poem, The Old Woman. Today we will do paraphrasing of paraphrasing of the poem and comprehension of poem. Class 9, subject English. Now coming to stanza number 1. Stanza number 1 is, as a white candle in a holy place, so is the beauty of an aged face. So you have to write a reference to the context. This stanza has been taken from the poem The Old Woman and it is written by Joseph Campbell. Paraphrase. As a white candle lends beauty and light to the shrine where it burns, in the same way an old woman adds grace and charm to the home where she resides. As a white candle lends beauty and light to the shrine. As a white candle जैसे एक सफ़ेद मोमबत्ती lends beauty खूबसूरती देती है and light और रोशनी देती है to the shrine. Shrine means इबादत की जगह. Where it burns. एक सफ़ेद मोमबत्ती जैसे एक इबादत की जगह को खूबसूरती और रोशनी देती है. Where it burns जहाँ पर वो जलती है. In the same way an old woman adds grace and charm to the home where she resides. इसी तरह एक बूढ़ी औरत जहाँ where she resides जहाँ पर वो रहती है adds grace वहाँ पर वो grace और charm वहाँ पर वो खूबसूरती और दिलकशी पैदा करती है to the home घर में वो दिलकशी और खूबसूरती पैदा करती है जहाँ पर वो रहती है. Now coming to stanza number 2. As the spent radiance of the winter sun, so is a woman with her travail done. Paraphrase. You have to write reference to the context before writing paraphrase. As the sun loses its warmth in winter, in the same manner the old woman, after facing a lot of unpleasant experiences and situations in her life, becomes weak and frail. As the sun loses its warmth in winter. जैसे कि सूरज सर्दी में अपनी गर्माइश खो देता है, अपनी हरारत खो देता है. In the same manner, इसी तरीके से the old woman after facing a lot of unpleasant experiences, इसी तरह बूढ़ी औरत after facing अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत से नाखुशगवार unpleasant नाखुशगवार तजर्बात से गुज़रने के बाद एंड सिचुएशंस बहुत सारे नाखुशगवार तजर्बात और हालात से गुज़रने के बाद शी बिकम्स वीक एंड फ्रेल. वो भी कमज़ोर. वीक मीन्स कमज़ोर, फ्रेल मीन्स वीक एंड फ्रेल मीन्स कमज़ोर हो जाती है. नाउ कमिंग टू स्टेंजा नंबर 3. Her brood gone from her, and her thoughts as still as the waters under a ruined mill. Now coming to stanza number 3. First of all, you have to write reference to the context and then you have to write paraphrase. An old woman is left alone in old age because her grown-up children go their own way. An old woman is left alone. बूढ़ी औरत को अकेला छोड़ दिया गया. In old age बुढ़ापे में. Because her grown up children क्योंकि उसके बड़े बच्चे जो कि अब बड़े हो चुके हैं go their own way अपने अपने रास्तों पर चल पड़े हैं, अपनी अपनी मंजिल पर चल पड़े हैं. As a result her life becomes stagnant. और नतीजे के तौर पर उसकी ज़िंदगी becomes stagnant. Stagnant means साकिन हो गई है, बग़ैर हरकत के हो गई है. And loses all its charms और उसने अपनी दिलकशी खो दी है. As the ruined mill becomes inoperative. जैसे कि एक तबाहशुदा काम करने वाली जगह या जैसे कि तबाहशुदा चक्की. Inoperative means बग़ैर काम के हो जाती है, जहाँ पर कोई काम ना हो रहा हो. Inoperative. So is her life inactive. उसी तरह उसकी ज़िंदगी गैर सरगर्म है. Because all the activities and liveliness in her life was due to her children. क्योंकि उसकी ज़िंदगी में तमाम एक्टिविटी, सरगर्मियाँ और लाइवलीनेस और रौनक उसके बच्चों की वजह से थी। Now coming to comprehension of the poem. Coming to question number 1. Who does the poet praise in the poem The Old Woman? Explain how. The poet praises the beauty of the old woman in the poem by comparing her face with a white candle which is placed in a holy place. The poet praises, poet ने तारीफ़ की है, the beauty of the old woman, ब्यूटी ऑफ द ओल्ड वुमेन, बूढ़ी औरत की खूबसूरती की तारीफ़ की है इन द पोएम बाय कंपेयरिंग हर फेस विद अ वाइट कैंडल, उसके चेहरे को एक सफ़ेद मोमबत्ती से तशबीह दी है, विच इज़ प्लेस्ड इन अ होली प्लेस, जैसे कि एक मोमबत्ती एक मुक़द्दस मकाम पर रखी जाती है। What does a white candle represent in the poem The Old Woman? The white candle represents the beauty of the face of the old woman. Question number 3. What is the message in the poem The Old Woman? Explain briefly. The message of the poem is that in old age the beauty of woman vanishes and she looks like a white candle. In old age the beauty of a woman vanishes. Vanishes means khatam ho jana. And she looks like a white candle. Question number 4. Why does the poet compare old women to a white candle in a holy place, the winter sun and the water under the ruined mill in the poem The Old Woman? First one is white candle in a holy place. The poet compares her with a candle that is kept in a holy place because her beauty is disappeared and she looks as holy as a candle kept in a holy place. Number 2, the winter sun. Now, with a winter sun, because she is dull as the winter sun. The poet compares the old lady with a winter sun because she is dull as a winter sun. Number 3, and the water under a ruined mill. The poet compares the old woman with and her thoughts are still as that of still water under a ruined mill. Her thoughts, उसके ख़यालात ऐसे हैं जैसे कि एक तबाहशुदा मिल में पानी खड़ा हो. Now coming to question number 5. Do you like this poem, The Old Woman? Why? I like the poem because the meaning of the poem is very deep. The poem is very simple and realistic. Realistic, hakiki hai. The poet has given the description of the lady by different comparisons. The poet has given the descriptions mean bayan kiya hai of the lady by different comparisons, मुख्तलिफ तशबीहात के ज़रिए. It requires great imaginative power to see beauty in old age. It requires ज़रूरत होती है great imaginative तसव्वुराती क़ुव्वत होनी चाहिए to see beauty in old age. Question number 6. What words in the poem help establish imagery? What is imagery? First of all, I'll explain what is imagery. Imagery is a use of figurative language to represent objects, actions and ideas in such a way that it appeals to our physical senses. We have senses, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste. So, if an object, action or idea appeals to our senses, our physical senses, then it is termed as imagery. Answer. Words in the poem helps establish imagery is a white candle, winter sun, water under a ruined mill and an aged face. So all these words are taken from the poem as to establish imagery. Question number 7. How many lines and stanzas are there in the poem? There are 12 lines and 3 stanzas in the poem. So there are 3 stanzas and each stanza carries 4 verses. So in calculation there are 12 lines and 3 stanzas in the poem. Now coming to activity, your activity is you have to write and learn stanza paraphrasing and comprehension. Thank you.